Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore contact segmentation in ActiveCampaign, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore contact segmentation in ActiveCampaign, begin by logging into your ActiveCampaign account. Navigate to the Contacts tab located in the main dashboard. Once there, select Segments from the drop-down menu. Click on the Create a Segment button to start a new segment creation process. In the Segment Builder, you'll see options to define your segment criteria. Choose the contact fields you want to segment by, such as tags or custom fields. Next, set the conditions for your segment using the available filters. You can add multiple conditions by clicking on Add or /in options. Adjust the segment size if needed by clicking on Add Condition to broaden your criteria. After setting the criteria, give your segment a clear and descriptive name. Once satisfied, click on the Save Segment button. Your newly created segment will now appear in the Segments list. To edit an existing segment, simply click on its name from the Segments list. Make any necessary changes to the criteria or name as required. To view contacts within your segment, select the segment name from the list. This will filter your contact list to show only those who meet the criteria. For further analysis, consider integrating tags or custom fields to refine your segments. Review your segments periodically to ensure they align with your marketing strategy. Keep your segments organized and updated for optimal targeting in your campaigns. With these steps, you can effectively restore contact segmentation in ActiveCampaign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.